How to add custom fonts to your Wix site. So for example, click on particular text, and then when you click on that text, it will show you the text settings. So if it doesn't actually show, you can click on this right here and then just right click on it and then scroll down until you can see the option for the settings of this text. You also click on this edit text option right here in order to open the settings. Now, once you have clicked on this, we can see the fonts. So you can click on the fonts right here and then click on this upload fonts in order to add a custom font for this one. Now, once you have clicked on this upload fonts, it will actually allow you to upload any fonts that you want. So just click on this upload fonts. Take note that the fonts need to be TTF, OTF, WOFF, or WFF2. So just choose which one of the fonts that you have added already, and then you should be able to see it from in there as well. So that's how you add custom fonts to your website. Hope we helped.